I was always confusing how to use should, would and could. Okay, today I will explain about should. Should is a modal verb. Okay, one of the modal verb. And should is used to give an advice. Okay, or to give an opinions, to express your opinions. Okay, in such situations we can use should. I will tell you few examples. Okay, we should go to the park tomorrow. Okay, this is your opinion. We should go to the park tomorrow. Okay, children. Next, if you want to give an advice to your friend, okay, you should consult a doctor. Your hair is falling now. You should consult a doctor. This is your advice to your friend. Okay, we should stop eating junk foods. We should stop eating junk foods. So, in this type of sentences, we can use should. What is the other way to ask questions? Okay, what should I do? Okay, this is the question. What should I do? Should we turn left or right at the street? You are asking question. Should we turn left or right at the street? Shouldn't we try to finish this work? Shouldn't we try to finish this work? So, in this type of questions, we can use should. Got it, dear? So, in the third way, to express something which is probable means few examples. My father should be at home by now. You can call him. My father should be at home by now. Call him. Okay, so in this type of sentences, we can use should. Okay, dear? He should be bringing his documents. He should be bringing his documents with him. Okay? So, in this type of sentences, we can use should to express something that is probable. Okay? You should be at your desk by 9 o'clock. You should be at the desk by 9 o'clock. Okay? So, this is the usage of should, children. In my next video, I will explain about could. Okay? Hope you are very clear when to use should. So, practice more and more sentences. You will be perfect definitely. Okay? Thank you.